Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn off transaction notifications from Chime. If you don't have a Chime account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $100 when you receive your qualifying deposit of $200 or more within the first 45 days of opening your Chime spending account. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Before you proceed, a verification code will be sent to your phone number to help secure your account. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on Verify. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. Then several options will appear. Click on the option that says Settings. On this page, scroll down a little and locate for the Notification Settings section. Once you see the section for Notification Settings, you will see a Transaction Notifications field on its right part. Beside Transaction Notifications, you will see a toggle icon. To proceed, toggle to Off. That's how you turn off transaction notifications from Chime. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.